So once the institute profile is created, it's time to create a course. Let me show you how to create one. Go to the courses section and click on create a new course. Fill on the basic details, drop your course thumbnail, enter the course name. Select the course type, whether you want only live classes, recorded classes or live class with recording. After that, enable the payment mode option and click on proceed to course details. After that, fill the course description, syllabus or table of contents, set the course duration. Enter all the details to publish section. Then the most important part, pricing plan. To add a pricing plan, click on add pricing plan and enter the details. Enter the plan name, select the billing cycle, whether it is yearly, monthly, weekly or one time. Then enter the price. You can also apply discount, GST, or you can also hide price from your students. Then click on submit and click on update changes. After that, it's time to create batches. Now to create a new one, click on create new batch, enter the batch name, select the pricing plan, start date and end date, select the teacher, set the maximum enrollment for the batch, then just simply click on save and your batch will be created.